Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and you have enjoyed your holidays. I'm sure you all are safe at home and in good health. Students, I gave you holidays homework before the holidays started, and I am sure that you all have done it. Now, today we are going to begin lesson number 5 of your English 2 book, which is a song about myself. Students, this is a poem which is composed by John Keats. He is the poet of this poem. In this poem, there is a naughty boy who ran away from home to Scotland. And this boy follows his nose to find out the way to Scotland, and he goes towards the north. So let us begin this chapter. You can see there is an exercise before the poem, which is a warm-up exercise. The poem is about a naughty boy who ran away from home. Read the following sentences about what other children do and choose the word that describes them. So students, in this exercise, this is a warm-up exercise, and in this exercise, the sentences given, you have to choose the right word and write it in the blank which is given there. So the number 1 is Rakesh wakes up early morning at 6 a.m. to attend tennis training. So Rakesh is a boy who wakes up early morning at 6 a.m. to attend tennis training. So what kind of boy is he? Is he a mean? Is he adventurous? Is he responsible? Is he disciplined or naughty? So because he wakes up every morning at 6 a.m. to attend training session, the tennis training, so he is disciplined. So you have to write disciplined in this blank which is given here. Number 2, Hanif makes sure he switches off all the fans and lights in the classroom after everyone leaves. So what kind of boy is Hanif? Hanif makes sure he switches off all the fans and lights in the classroom after everyone leaves. So Hanif is a responsible boy. So you write responsible in this blank. Number 3, Priya likes to pull the tails of stray cats and dogs. So what kind of girl is Priya? Priya is naughty. So write naughty. Number 4, Preeta and Rita go trekking in the mountains with their parents. So going for trekking is an adventurous thing. So you will write adventurous in number 4. Write adventurous. Number 5, John plays harmless tricks on his friends in school. So what kind of boy is John? John is mean. So write mean here. Now we'll begin the poem. Only in dreams can little boy travel alone and visit far off foreign lands. Are you one of them? So students, it means that can a little boy go for a foreign trip alone, all alone? He cannot, right? But we can imagine or we can dream of a little boy who can just go to a foreign land all alone. So the first line, there was a naughty boy was he. He would not stop at home, he could not quite be. So this is about the naughty boy. There was a naughty boy and he was naughty and he could not stop himself at home and neither he can sit quiet. He took in his knapsack a book full of vowels and a shirt with some towels, a slight cap for nightcap, a hairbrush, So students, this is about the boy who leaves his loan, he leaves his home, and he cannot sit quietly. So he packed his bag, which is full of books. Knapsack, the meaning of knapsack is a canvas or cloth or leather bag strapped on the back. So you can see this bag, this could be of cloth or a leather bag. So this is a knapsack, actually a bag, in which he keeps his books, which is full of walls, and a shirt with some towels as well, and a slight cap. There's a cap in his bag. Hairbrush also. Comb, ditto. New stockings for old one would split O. So he keeps the books, towels, cap, hairbrush, and a new pair of stockings for old ones would split O. That means he kept the stockings because he thinks that the old stockings which he's wearing, it might tear down. So that's why he kept a new pair of stockings also in his bag before leaving his house. The knapsack tight at his back, he riveted close and followed his nose. To the north, and followed his nose. So this boy, he takes his bag and he holds the bag tightly, and he follows his nose and goes to the north, and to the north. Okay. There was a naughty boy, and the naughty boy was he. He ran away to Scotland, the people for to see. There he found that the ground was hard, that a yard was as long. So students, this naughty boy with his bag holding firmly on his back, he leaves his house and he followed his nose and goes towards the north, following his nose. So this boy, he ran away to Scotland to see the people of Scotland, and there he found that the ground was hard and it was as long as a yard. So student, yard is the measurement. He is telling the measurement of the ground, which was hard and it was long. That a song was merry, that a cherry was as red. So he's telling about that place, about Scotland, that the ground was hard and was long, and a beautiful song was, he was listening to a beautiful song there, and the cherries were red in Scotland. That lead was as weighty, that fourscore was as 80. That a door was as wooden as in England. So he stood in his shoes, and he stood in his shoes, and he wondered. So students, this boy, when he reaches there in Scotland, he found that the ground was hard, was long as a yard, and there was a merry song, the cherry was red, and then he sees that the doors of the houses in England were wooden, and he was standing there and wondering about that place. So student, this is the poem where he describes about the Scotland, where he reached after running from home. Understood? So he's describing about the beauty of that place, that how it is. I hope you've understood this poem. And he was amazed about that place, about the Scotland. He was very much amazed about that place because from where he came in his place, things were not like the same as it is in Scotland. I hope you've understood. We'll do the exercises in our next class. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.